Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change virtual background on Zoom Windows version or desktop version. So if you don't have this app as your online meeting app, you can try for free or download it for free in a official website of Zoom. Here you can buy it in order to upgrade your account into the Pro one or Pro free trial. You can try it only for 7 days. So here we go. If you already have, let's open this app, Zoom Workplace. Here, don't forget to sign in into your account. You can create the account if this is your first time. So in order to change your background or virtual background, you can click in the top right corner of your screen and click on settings. Here you can try to search, or you can scroll down into the Zoom apps or background and effects first. Here you can change your virtual background, but here only 3 of it that need a green screen. So here there is a note: your device requires a green screen to support virtual background. And here you can also use another virtual background that not need a green screen. You can click on Zoom apps, and this is virtual backgrounds powered by Pexels. So you can click this, open selected Zoom apps for me. You can click this feature, virtual backgrounds, and also you can click this in order to keep meeting apps open for me. So this is on meeting app. Here, when you start a meeting, for example, you can try to change your virtual background. This is, for example, there are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. So you can just simply click set background. Now you can enjoy the virtual background powered by Pexels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.